So we have to find out the middle term. Okay, now look at this, how we will approach. So x plus y power n. So suppose that I want to expand this one. So you know that I have to write nc0 first, then write x. X will be taking power as the difference of upper subscript and lower subscript n minus 0, and y will take 0. nc1, x will take n minus 1, y will take 1. nc2, x will take n minus 2, y will take 2, and this thing will keep on going. Correct? Now suppose that we have to find out the middle term. Okay, so if you are dealing with middle term, just observe. Suppose there are 1, 2, 3 terms. So who is in the middle? 2 is in the middle. Okay, so if the number of terms is 3, so middle term is 2. Now suppose that the number of term is 5. Who is in the middle? 3. Okay, so just look at this. Like I am asking you, you cannot do this manual calculation all the time. So try to establish a formula. Okay, so I feel that if the number of terms are odd, okay, if number of terms are odd, the middle term will be like power is like just look at this number of term I am taking as n. So I'll write n plus 1 by 2. So look at this, the number of term is 5. So who is in the middle? 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 2 is 3. Correct? So it is established. Now suppose that the number of term is 7. Who is in the middle? You know it is 4. Right now you can do manual calculation, but look at this. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. So 4. Correct now? So if number of terms are odd, you can handle this situation. Okay? Now look at this part. So the middle term you got. Now I'll go with the number of even terms. If number of terms are even, okay, say n, middle term, you will not have middle term, you will have middle terms. Okay, so look at this part. Suppose that the number of term is 4. The number of term is 4. So in the middle you can observe there are 2 person. So can I say it is 4 by 2 and 4 by 2 plus 1? Correct? So if the number of term is 6, can I say that 3 and 4th term is in the middle? Now can I write this as the number of term is n. So first term will be n by 2 and n by 2 plus this term. Okay, so you got your middle term. Now look at this, how will you establish relation? So you know that if the number of, like suppose I am asking you first term, so you know that the lower subscript of c will be 0, and you can manage the power of x and y. And if the number of if term is 2, so you will be using lower subscript of c as 1. If term is 3, so you will be using lower subscript as 2. Okay, also if you will remember the Pascal triangle, which look like this: 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. So you can say that, and this provides you the coefficient, and NCR also provides us the coefficient. So can I say that the middle term will have the maximum binomial coefficient. Okay, so we will be using this concept in this session. Okay, so the middle term will have leading binomial coefficient. Okay, and you know how to handle middle term situation. I hope you got the rough idea and you can handle similar situations. Okay.